Hi, I'm Ollie from Electra-Zoom, and today we're going to be giving you a run-through video of the One S electric scooter from Xiaomi. I'm sure we all know Xiaomi by now, very popular in the e-scooter market. They brought us the M365 and M365 Pro. The One S is the replacement for the outgoing M365. Aesthetically, very much the same as before, but there are some subtle changes in design and tech improvements that we're now seeing. The new One S has a fully digital display. We're obviously used to seeing that on the Pro. This is now standard across all the Xiaomi scooters. We've got three modes here. We've got walk mode, that's the slowest mode, great for pedestrianised and built up areas. When in walk mode, the rear light is continuously on. Moving up the modes, we've got D, normal mode if you like, and S, which is sport. That's the most powerful mode and also gives you your top speed. The One S, same as before with the last M365, has a top speed of 15.5 miles an hour and a range of about 18 to 20 miles on a single charge. Like I said, aesthetically, very similar to before, but there have been some design tweaks and changes. We've covered the display, that's obviously fully digital now. The smartphone app, that's been improved, so there's better connectivity to that app, a little bit more data, a little bit more user friendly. It's also got the new BMS. You might wonder what the BMS is. That's the circuit board, if you like, inside the scooter, the brains, the gubbins of what goes on. That's been improved, so there's more sensors in there. So if your scooter's going to overheat, voltage issue, battery issue, anything like that, you get an alert on the screen and it lets you know before any damage is done and you can contact your repair centre. Working our way down the scooter, we've got an improved rear light here. Much brighter than before, gives road users and pedestrians much better sight of you in dull and dark conditions. That also flashes when the brake is applied. Just below that, we've got a little plate here for number plates. Some jurisdictions require that, also for the rental market, so that's pre-installed on there for those who need it. Mudguard itself, same as before, but that's been strengthened, so we've got these braces on there, so hopefully if anybody's resting their feet on the back or something's broken off the mudguard, that'll be a thing of the past, much stronger than before. On the side, we've got these much brighter reflectors, so they comply with EU regulations. They're also present on the front, along with a brighter reflector at the very front. Working our way up to the front, we've got a little rubber bush on the back of the front fender. That just gives some protection against the base of the scooter. And then working our way up the stem, all very much the same as before, same dimensions. We've got a much brighter light at the front. That gives yourself much better visibility to road users. It's aimed down, so it's not designed to be dazzling. It also gives you better sight of where you're going in dull conditions. Like before, still folds down just as easily. Has the folding lever off the Pro, which was bigger than the M365, so it's easier for access. That just clips in place as before, and we used to lift it up and away you go. At 12.5 kilos, this is one of the lightest scooters on the market. Great if you need to pop on the train, put it in the boot of your car, on the bus. When you get to your destination, great for that last couple of mile commute to the office, see some friends, or whatever you're doing with your scooter. Hope you've liked this video. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel just below. We'll bring you some more exciting content on the e-scooters. And remember to follow us and like us on our social channels. Thanks.